Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can merge PDF files into one in mobile. So the first step you need to do is to open your Chrome browser and search here smallpdf.com. So let me search and you need to open the first website. Once you open, you simply need to click on tools and here you can see an option to merge PDF. Click on that option. Then you need to click on choose files and you need to upload files from your smartphone. Once you upload, you can easily merge them and you need to download from this website. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.